Pursuit with Water and Sewer by T.S. Dan. O Druidess, wild forest child, standing in a pose of rapture and wonder, look out for my shovel. I'll put you in the crawl space to bury you with my empowered entitlement. Madmen and scholars will debate decades to come over non-profit status, determined by tool marks on bones, bringing scorpions out from decayed wood. The tree was a home, bulldozer less constructive. Should have been used to pave over agitating protesters into satanic solar panels that seem to work about 9 months a year. As long as a dead man lies in the middle of Northern Avenue with a single head wound, robberies go badly daily, trailing a bloody river. The fire department will come wash it off.